One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com. It's gonna be a video that just kind of, we're some spray painting grills. We took some grills out. Light pieces, I got new lights. I'm at the end of it. I'm gonna show you all the progress. There's about 4 minutes in between there. It's kind of boring. I'm just spraying paint, but some people like seeing paint sprayed. I don't know. If you like these kind of videos, great. If not, don't watch them. It's just a daily vlog update type thing. Make sure to subscribe, add me on that, whatever, and do all that, and like the video and share it somewhere. I've got like 8,000 videos on here. Gotta be something you like. At the end of this video, I'll walk around and show you some stuff out here. Here we go. A crap ton more stuff, and I don't even have a clue what it is. Well, I didn't mean to make a video, but homemade hush puppies and fish sticks, baby. Woo! That isn't...
It is the same color. It's just that the cap doesn't really...
Dude, that's not the same color.
Okay, well... it's not the same color.
It's not the same color.
Alright, well...
Oh, shit.
Yeah, because there's two different red colors.
So if you got a Toyota, this is your color code. The 3K4, right there. And they sent us...
3P1.
It's not even the same thing, it's 3P1. So this is definitely not something I can put on this car. It looks like a clown car. 2 done there. This one coming up, that one's done. We're waiting for speed sensors. Hummer, that just drives good. That's done. Dodge is coming up. Eagle's coming up. Oh, new inventory. Just got in this 5-speed Mustang 5.0. Nice little convertible. I'm gonna do a quick video for my One Owner Car Guy channel.
Okay, let me get over here. Let me get over here. Alright, go for it. Whoa! Whoa! I like it! I like it!
Okay, Rich has been working hard on these bumpers. They're all sanded down. There's a dent there. You really don't notice it, but now I notice it. Since he told me, because he was sanding on the bumpers, he seen the dent. But it's beautiful, ready to go, ready to paint. He's got it all ready to where we can adjust this the way we need to. It's gonna look like a totally different truck. We're gonna prime it and paint it, and that's about that. These bezel surrounds are in various stages of disrepair. You can tell they used to be that color. I've got a color kind of close for them, but it just wore all through. And actually this here, you can tell it's kind of pitted a little bit. It's very smooth, just along the edges a little bit. You can see light pitting. Hopefully we'll cover that up with some plastic primer. But the grill and everything looks good. Ready to go. All right, we're gonna give it a shot without doing any primer on it and just go right over it. And I've only got one can here, So I'm hoping one can will cover 2 bumpers. Light coats, light coats. All right, after primer, looks great. It's getting a little windy, so I'm kind of hoping this works. No!
This is bad.
Give me a fresh tip.
Fresh tip on the fresh bottle.
All right, the other day I started painting on this thing on this side, and the can jammed up. Now usually the Krylon I never have a problem with, and on this particular day I had 2 nozzles go out on different cans. One was flat black, one was this. But I got a new can, and we're gonna get this thing painted up here. All right, I tied this end in. I'm gonna come along the back of the top here. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's exactly what I came to do. It's going to be harder to see it in this here garage, but it is definitely shiny and nice looking. The Dodge is all polished up. It looks great. It's an amazing looking car. There is like this clear coat that's gone off of it. Other than that, it all blends in pretty correctly. Wheel wells and everything are clean. It's a clean truck. Old Fish Wildlife Patrol truck. Game warden here in Montana. The Saab is ready for a quick polish, and it'll be coming up. I'll show you the... Okay, you guys see these lights. We tore everything off on the 97 Ford. These are all brand new lights. I don't know if you can see that. Let's turn it around. Look at that. It's a little dark out, and that's the end result of the painting on the grill pieces. So that's all looking good. Tore the bumper off the Explorer and the side pieces. The pieces that go along the running boards were kind of warped just over time. But I got a new bumper because it was kind of... These people even replaced the spare tire because it was at date. I mean, they have these kind of factory alloys, and they bought an extra set of those alloys just to put their snow tires on. This one's all ready, I think. We replaced a window switch. It's been polished up a little bit. It's looking good. Here's the Ford with the whole front end ripped out. Here's your bumper afterwards. Looks nice. Good looking, presentable. Water beading up off of it. Nice, good job. We're gonna black in the grill a little bit underneath where it all blends in. And once you see it, you have to. You have to do these wheels. There's no way I can't do these wheels. It's just, I got to. So, as the couple weeks have ended up here, we've got a lot of things done. The tercel is done. The video is uploaded. I love my lights out here. They're in my Amazon store down below. That's only like 200 watts. It's like a football field because it's LED. If you haven't seen the Trans Am video, it was just put up. So these two are up. This will be coming up. That will be up. And that's done. I just got to make the video. And the Hummer's already up. All kinds of cars. The Impala's already up. And there'll be more of this stuff over here coming as we get things worked out. Lots of cars, lots more coming up, lots of work videos, lots of, I don't know. I'm just throwing up stuff as I can, and definitely don't have the volume of videos that I used to, but the way YouTube kind of janked my channel around, well, I'm just doing what I am. Still plugging away, doing the same thing. Thanks for watching. I'll make more videos this week. Make sure and check them out. We'll talk to you.